Well, what's up to all my chicken grease junkies out there in YouTube land? This is Fast Jimmy 71 coming at you from the Chicken Grease Garage. This is going to be an update on my project and some stuff that I got. So let me show you guys what I got going on here. If you kind of notice that there are no shop cards here anymore. I took them all out. That's because I put them in this binder. I find it to be a lot. They're a lot more protected in this binder than being laid out here, and glue or paint or water or anything gets on them. I think that they're going to be a lot more protected in here, and they look better in a binder. I don't know if anybody else out there wants to do the same thing. It's a thought. This idea was my wife's idea. That's the same thing that I did with Leilani. So this is mine's here. So I got my card here in the front with my tag, my ID tag from when I went to the Acme Southern Nationals. So this is my collection here, which is, Bordeaux's Family Garage, Leilani Chicken Nugget Garage, Jeff's Model Garage, Captain Nemo, Heartbeat Model Shop, Twisted Clown, Custom Performance, Vision 124, Ground Zero, Lugnuts Garage, Rick Zink, Jamie G's, Too Tall, Styrene Monkey, The Glue Factory, The Godfather, Scale Model Customs, West Georgia Rod and Custom, Model Lab, Mad Lab Models, Barn Fine Models, Rambler 69, Model Factory, Topper Vision, Sniper Scale Models, Truck Customs, Jeff's Model Garage with paw prints on it, BG's Model Shop, Workshop, Bull City Models, Ace Hot Rods, and my two new ones, Grandpappy's Toy Room and BSG Customs. Those are my two latest ones. Thank you very much. And anybody else out there that has any shop cards that wishes to be in the Fast Jimmy 71 shop card binder, that would be cool. Send me a message to my email, which is fastjimmy71@gmail.com. There you can send me your email with your address, and if you don't have my card, I will send you a card. If you don't have Leilani's card, I'll send you her card, and you can send me a card if you have one, so I can have it in my collection. So enough of that. You gotta excuse the noise. That is my washing machine. That's loud as hell. But now I'm gonna get into the project that I've been working on, which is my 66 Chevy Nova, which has been painted in a gunmetal gray because I got tired of painting it in red. This is the stance. It's got bare metal foil all the way around the windows. I haven't installed the windows yet because due to the fact that when I was painting the windows in black to tint them out, because it's going to be a curbside, I went to take the tape off of the back window and I cracked the window in half. So now I don't have a back window. So I'm waiting for a back window for the 66, for the Nova. I had the side ones. I have the front one. I have all three of these, but my back window. My back window is garbage, cracked right in half. But there is the blowtorch mufflers that I got going on there. Put the bumpers on. That's the stance of the car. Those are the tires that are going to be on the car. Like I said, all the bare metal foil is on. There's the front bumper. I think it came out pretty nice. Once I get the windows in and I tint them out, she's all done. I might add a little bit more detail to it, but for the most part, the car's done. I'm going to put this to the side because now I'm going to show you guys what I ordered through a good friend of mine. His name is Rockabilly Scale Custom Model Shop, Speed Shop. He is a vendor, and he's a really cool guy. I've been keeping in communications with him for a while. You know, we've done some deals back and forth, and I ordered some stuff the other day, and I got it. I got it in the mail last week. I haven't had a chance to do a video because I've been busy. Now that I have a little bit of time to do a video, I'm going to show you guys what I got going on here. So, the first kit that I got is this 1955 Chevy Bel Air sedan. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I got this one off of him. Very nice kit. Everything's still in the bag. I don't think I'm going to be able to open this. Let me see. Oh, okay, there we go. See, as you can see, everything is brand new in the bag. I got that one. Very cool kit. Then I was telling him that I was looking for a 1958 Chevy Impala. Bam! 1958 Chevy Impala. Very nice. Very cool. Very cool. But what's even cooler is that somebody already had started working on the body and they kind of like buffed it out. And they buffed it out real nice. So it needs to be, you know, touched up just a little bit more, and I might just leave it the way it is because whoever buffed it out real nice. They did a really nice job on this buff. You know, they buffed it out real nice. This is the bare plastic, as you can see. There's the sprues still stuck on the doors. So, well, we'll see about that later on. I'm not going to be building this, like, not right now, so I'm not really too worried about that. Picked this one up, which is pretty cool. Then I got this one. This is supposed to be a parts Cadillac. You know, we talked about this Cadillac. I told him that I was looking for another 68 Cadillac, which you guys know I already have one. But I needed another one. And he told me that it was in really rough condition. He was really kind of embarrassed to sell it. I said, I don't care. I want it. I'm going to figure out what I can do with it. Sure enough, when I got it, it was rough. I'm not going to show you what I got so far with the car. Just put it this way, that I already had dipped it in Purple Pond, took all the paint off, and I have something in store for this car. So right now, I'm not going to show you what I got going on with it because this is going to be a little reveal later on. Once I'm done doing what I'm doing over there, and I get a little farther along with this car. But this is my next project, and trust me, this is going to be one badass ride. And I got some stuff coming for this. Also, I got some wheels and hubcaps and stuff like that, which is going to set this car off real nice. Also, he also told me, Jimmy, I have something that you might want. And I'm like, what is it? And he's like, well, I got myself in my hands a 1960 Plymouth Fury police car by Johan. And I'm like, no shit. And he's like, yes, sir. And there it is. This is an original Johan, just like the Cadillac. It's an original Johan Plymouth Fury. And you can build this as a Chicago police car. So, this is also in beautiful, beautiful condition. I have to be very careful with this box because this box is very fragile and I can't get it off. So that's not cool. I'm going to put you down for a minute so I can open up this box. There we go. And show you the content. And there she is. And everything's still in bags. Very nice. Everything is here. This car is in mint condition, just like the Fury, just like the DeSoto that he sent me, which is Johan also. So that's also a Johan. And you know, this is a very nice car. And I made a deal with him on this one too. So this one is going to be built in a later date because I would like to see if I can find the decals for this car, for the Chicago police car, because I would like to build this as a Chicago police car. And then I went to Hobby Lobby the other day, and with my 40% discount, I picked this bad boy up. I've been wanting one of these for a while. The 67 Chevelle Pro Street. Very nice kit. I got some plans for this. It's not going to look nothing like the way it looks on this box. I'll tell you that much. I'm going to do my own little twist to it. But this is going to be at a later date. And that's really about it. That's all I have really going on here. I know I like I told you guys, I got that Wish thing to my phone, and I just got this in the other day. You can never go wrong with some drill bits for your pin vise, and I picked these up for like $1, which is pretty cool. I got that through that Wish thing. Now, as for the person that I got these from, which his name is Teddy Barnes, and he goes by Rockabilly Custom Scale Speed Shop. If you wish to get anything off of him, because he's only a vendor, he can get you just about anything that you might be looking for. If it's hard to find, give him some time, but he'll find it for you. He's very reasonable on his prices. Trust me, you will not go wrong. You will not get railroaded, because trust me, all these kits are in awesome condition, and trust me, you're not going to be disappointed. And he is straight up with what he tells you. And if you're not satisfied with what you got, he'll just send it back, and he will give you back your money. If you wish to get in contact with him, you have to get in contact through me first, because he does not have a YouTube page. So if you guys are looking for a particular model, he does resin. He's going to be sending me some resin hubcaps pretty soon, and he does a couple other resin parts and stuff like that. He's going to be sending me some stuff, and then when he sends it and I receive it, I will be doing a review on it, so you guys can see. And if you are interested, you can contact me through my email, and then I will contact him, and then you can we'll work something out from there. But again, he's a nice guy. He's a vendor. He doesn't have a YouTube page yet, but I've been keeping in communications with him. And trust me, you're not going to be disappointed with what he's got. He's got a lot of Johans. As you can see, you know, I would have never expected to get Johans the way I've been getting Johans now. And you know, Johans are hard to find. And as you can see, proof is in the pudding, man. I got this 68 Cadillac. I got a Plymouth Fury. I got a 60 DeSoto. And guess what? Next week, I'm getting a 68 Cadillac hardtop by Johan. Yes, sir. So, a 1964 Cadillac hardtop by Johan. So, that would be my, what, 1, 2, 3, for like 4 Johans already. Like 5 Johans with the Cadillac that little Joe sent me. So, you know, that's been pretty cool. And I plan to get my hands on a couple more Johans off of him. So, I'm going to be keeping communications with him. And this is not going to be the last of what you see here. You will be seeing other things coming through the Chicken Grease Garage. So, like I said, if you're looking for anything in particular, send me an email. Let me know what you're looking for. I'll talk to the man, see what he's got, and then if he has it, I'll send you his telephone number. You can get in communications with him, and then you can work your deals out with him. So, till then, my brothers, this is Fast Shimmy 71, showing you what I got here, and showing you my my project build here, and that's really about it. And like I said, if you guys are still interested in any of the Chicken Grease Garage shop cards, or little Leilani's Chicken Nugget Garage shop cards, send me your information to my email, which is fastjimmy71@gmail.com. And that's about it. So till next time, my brothers, this is Fast Jimmy 71 saying peace. And you know it, chicken grease. Laters.